GA4 is quite challenging for new and existing users of Google Analytics, as it requires effort, time, and an extra skill set to get started. Are you still spending hours in the new interface of GA4? Or getting frustrated with the warning of Google that Universal Analytics will be going away? We have the perfect solution for you. Analytics4now. An analytics dashboard that integrates your GA4 data with the standard interface of Google Analytics. Imagine being able to navigate the usual audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversion reports with your GA4 data source in one place. The best part is that Analytics4now utilizes the latest technologies of Google such as Google Data Studio and provides 2 times faster reporting than Universal Analytics, zero sampling, in-depth analysis, and historic data from the first day of your GA4 setup. With Analytics4now you can move to GA4 with zero stress and make better decisions about your business. Start using Analytics4now today.